These are the elevators at 100 North Tampa in Tampa, Florida. We're gonna go at 37 because 38 through 41 are locked. These elevators normally serve floors 29 through 41. But again, 38 through, or 38 through 41 are locked off. So the highest we can go is 37. Here we go. We're at 37. Alright, let's go to, we're gonna send this one down and ride a different one. Elevator K is gonna go down, and we're gonna ride another one. But in the meantime, let's just get a look at a hallway. Not a whole lot to see here, but H. Here's elevator H. And let's go down. It's too bad we can't go to the top, but 37 is still pretty high up. We're in the express zone, so let's get a cap view. Here's your inspection certificate. We're gonna write one more. J. Oh, it's right here. Alright, up we go with 37 again. Alright, let's go down, and now let's do the handicap mode.
Security access required.
Actually, it's
Press
not.
button with
Wait, no,
your
it's gonna
desired
work.
floor, or press twice to cancel. Lobby. Going to the lobby. Please proceed to elevator J. First elevator to your left front.
Alright, well, let's go down. Door close actually works.
Lobby level.
And that'll be it.